Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with this maroon and orange fall look for you guys, even though it kind of looks pink and orange, but it's maroon. So if you guys want to see how I got this really cute fall look, keep watching. So if this is not your first time here, you know I always start off with some concealer, and the first palette you're going to see me dip into is the Princesa Azteca. I'm gonna apply that with a M433, and like I said, I don't really care for these white bristle brushes, but y'all, so guess what? I finally found a solution to my whitewashing. I'm so happy. I think this brush actually blends really well. It's just too hard. My next colors are coming from Morphe's 35M palette. I'm gonna use these two and just do light dark, and put that in my crease. So let me answer like the frequently asked questions. So my name is pronounced Kirsten, and I'm from Birmingham, Alabama, and I currently still live here. And I'm 20 years old. I'm not a teenager. For some reason, people think I'm still a teenager, but I take that as a compliment. And I want to be a nurse, y'all, so pray for me. And you guys, I do have a boyfriend, so if y'all want me to force him to do my makeup or a voiceover, just let me know, because... But yeah, I'm just playing. I would have to force him. But if y'all want to see him, just let me know. Just to see something like a little different on my channel. My next color is going to be this darker brown. I'm going to put that in my crease. So I'm going to take my concealer. This is in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm going to create just somewhere to put my glitter. So I'm going to go back and pick up those burgundies from the 35M palette. Now I'm going to pick up this shimmery cranberry color and pack that onto my lid. Here and talk to y'all about my lashes, because y'all keep asking. The lashes that I have on now are the same lashes that I wear in almost all of my videos, and they are from Amazon. I got them, I think, I want to say $10 for 15 pairs. Yes, $10 for 15 pairs. This is what they look like. So yeah, that's what the box looks like, and I'm gonna link them down below. But these lashes, let me tell y'all, let me give y'all like a quick review. Let me show y'all this pair. I can't show y'all my nails because they look a mess, but so that's what they look like. That's what they look like. And They do have a thick lash band, and I noticed lately for some reason I've just been loving thick lash bands more than the thinner ones because they give me more of a dramatic look. But these lashes are really good quality in my opinion. I've never had a pair like tear on me. I bought some other ones from Amazon a while ago, and I tried to take them off and it literally ripped into 3 pieces. So they were really pretty, but they were of poor quality. So I really like these. I don't know who they're by. Let me see. Wleek, W-L-E-E-C Beauty Lashes. But yeah, like I said, I'll link them below. But yeah, I really like these lashes. If y'all can't tell, like I said, I use them in every video. They're really easy to apply, really easy to clean, and yeah, these are like my go-to lashes for any look at this point. That's what they look like in the pack. And the only thing I don't like, I mean, obviously you can tell what eye they go on because like how they're in the pack, but if you like don't put them back in this package after you take them off your eye, you're not gonna know which one goes where, because if you can tell, each corner of each lash is like the same length. And it's been so many times where I was like, oh my gosh, I think this is the wrong lash, but I can tell. So I don't really think it matters, but yeah, I would recommend you keep up with which eye you put them on and then put them back. I'm gonna include these in my my 1,000 subscriber giveaway too. I'm gonna send y'all the whole pack, and there will be 3 winners, and it'll be international, so everybody can join, so everybody can enter. But yeah, I'll send y'all a whole pack of lashes, and I'm gonna be super extra for that giveaway. So y'all comment down below and tell me what type of stuff y'all want, because yeah, I want to give y'all some super cute, useful things. Those are the only lashes that I really use right now. So I know I'm lame. I use the same lashes in every video, but I bet y'all didn't even notice until y'all watched this. I'm gonna take this orange and smoke it out in my waterline, and then I'm gonna also take this color and smoke it out down there. So using the same brush, I'm gonna take the shimmery orange and kind of put that in the middle down here, and also I'm gonna put that in the corner of my eye. To finish up this look, I'm gonna add some mascara to my bottom lashes. So that is it for this video. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I want to say a special thank you for almost 900 subscribers. But thank you again for watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe before you leave and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.